Welcome. This video will guide you through deleting sections in your Shopify store using the theme editor. As of 2026, Shopify's online store 2.0 uses modular sections to build pages. Removing unwanted sections is crucial for optimizing your store's design and performance. We'll show you how to do it easily, even with the latest AI enhancements. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is where you access all your store's settings and tools. Navigate to Online Store in your admin menu, then click on Themes. This page shows all your installed themes. Find the theme you want to edit, usually your live theme. Click the Customize button to open the theme editor. This opens the theme editor, where you can visually modify your store's layout and design elements. Make sure you're working on a duplicate of your live theme for safety. This prevents accidental changes to your published store. Within the theme editor, you'll see a live preview of your store. Directly click on the section you wish to remove in the preview. Alternatively, you can use the sidebar on the left to navigate through the sections listed there. Once selected, the section's settings will appear in the right sidebar. In the right sidebar, scroll to the bottom of the section settings. You'll find a trash can icon or a Remove Section button. Click this button. Shopify will likely prompt you to confirm your action to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm to remove the section from the current view. After deleting a section in the theme editor, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the top right corner of the interface. Clicking Save preserves your modifications without making them live on your store yet. Once saved, return to the theme library. In the Actions drop-down menu for your theme, select Publish. This action makes your deleted section changes live on your online store immediately. Keep in mind that deleting a section is not permanent. If you need it back, you can always re-add sections from the Add Section menu in the theme editor. This gives you flexibility to experiment with your store's layout. Some core sections, like headers and footers in certain themes, might not be removable to maintain essential site functionality. This ensures your store always has basic navigation and branding elements. Additionally, custom sections added by apps might require you to adjust app permissions before they can be deleted. This prevents accidental removal of integrated features. Always be mindful of these constraints when modifying your theme. Understanding what can and cannot be deleted helps you customize your store safely and effectively. Shopify's AI Theme Assistant, introduced in late 2025, helps optimize stores by suggesting underperforming sections for removal. The AI analyzes user behavior to identify elements that negatively impact conversions or page load times. For example, this heat map shows areas of user focus, helping identify which sections perform well. Tools like the Wiz AI app provide AI-powered customization to assist with this optimization. Using this tool can streamline your optimization process. Before making any significant changes, duplicate your theme for backup. Be aware that deleting sections can impact your site's design, so plan strategically. As e-commerce trends shift towards no-code solutions and AI-driven enhancements, mastering section management is essential for maintaining a high-performing Shopify store. Thanks for watching.